Alright, I'm just making this unboxing video for fun. Just got my first ever continuous lighting. Recently released, so I thought it might be interesting to a lot of people. Not sure if you guys saw where I bought it from, but well, I guess that's not important. So this is the Zhiyun Molus x100. Oh yeah, by the way, I have heard a lot of people kind of having a lot of trouble pronouncing its name. Yeah, in Chinese it's actually Zhiyun. Zi means either intelligent or wise. Yun means cloud. So there are two boxes in this combo kit. One of them is the ZY mount to Bowen's mount adapter. It has already been opened actually, because I asked to inspect the goods when I was at the store. So, this is how it looks like. Bowen's mount adapter. Alright. So there's two words here. Zhiyun. Comes with a nicely padded case. That looks like it has water resistant zips. I'm not sure whether the fabric is water resistant, but yeah, it's a nice case. Oh, this has not been opened before, yeah. The battery handle, USB-C output and input for charging, and well, for charging basically both ways, or powering the light, or powering USB-C devices. AC adapter. Yep. I'm in Malaysia, so we use the so-called UK type plug. So what it says here is 灯头强光高温，直射引发火灾。借给他人使用时，请务必告知使用须知。Yep, the English translation is accurate. Okay, more warning stickers everywhere. Okay, this is the fan, on-off switch, the power knob, the color temperature knob, the actual COB has a layer of glass on top. Yep. It says professional lighting must be used under the guidance of professionals. Okay. I need to find someone to guide me then. Okay, this is the standard reflector. This tiny. Interesting. It has kind of different texture to most of the reflectors I've ever seen. So well, very easy to install. I was expecting it to be a lot trickier. So insert, twist, click, it's in. What else is there? Carrying strap, I think. Not important to me, but well, some kind of pouch. Yeah, probably fits. And a bunch of instructions. Yeah. Well, that's it. Time to test. Yeah, cord looks pretty long. Alright. Prices for anyone who can guess which one it is. Which sticker should I pull? Yeah. This one? Actually, I already know because the guy tested it just now before I bought it. So it says DC 24 volts on Type C, so it can be powered by either one of these two things. So you plug it in, and switch it on. Yeah, you can see that the LED displays the power output. Okay, you just 50%, 100%, 0%. $6,500K, 2,700 Kelvin, 5,500 Kelvin, which is daylight. Yep. So yeah, this is at 8%. Oh yeah, I nearly forgotten. You should always test the battery too, right? Okay. Okay. Says the battery has about 75%. Let's see. If I remember correctly, this is where the battery port is. Oh, okay. Oh yeah, that's where the battery port is. So what do I do? Okay, so I got to pull out the entire thing. Reminds me of, okay, I'm going to say it, Hasselblad. Okay, let's see. It's powering up. 8%. 50%, 100%. Hey, it's also testing my 24 1.4. See how prone is it to flaring. Yeah, it flares. It should. Okay. So battery works fine. Battery indicator. Right. Okay, let's switch it off. Let me show you guys two more things. I saw some reviewers forgot to mention this. There are actually two threads here for mounting this device. When the battery is mounted, I think they are saying that you should use this for optimum balancing. For normal users, or when you're plugged into the AC outlet with a DC adapter, this is the center screw that you should be mounting it on. Well, I guess that's it. Does look pretty. Hopefully it is going to be useful for my work. So this is it. The Zhiyun Molus x100. Gonna test it properly in a few days. And maybe I'll make another video. Who knows? thank you for watching. Hope you come back and, well, like and subscribe. Goodbye.